Here's how to fix Valorant not opening on PC quickly. Step 1. Fully close Riot Client and Valorant processes. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for Riot Client, Valorant, and Vanguard. Select each one and click End Task. This ensures Valorant is not stuck running in the background. Step 2. Restart Riot Vanguard service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services list, scroll down and find VGC. Right-click VGC and select Start. If it is already running, right-click it and choose Restart. Riot Vanguard must be running correctly for Valorant to open. Step 3. Run Riot Client as administrator. Go to your desktop or Start menu and locate Riot Client. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. Once the Riot Client opens, launch Valorant normally. Running as administrator helps prevent permission-related launch issues. After completing these steps, Valorant should open normally on your PC. Subscribe for more professional Valorant and PC fix guides.